Right folks, the last video was picking up this Lancer Evolution 4 and today I'm going to take it for a drive. I've had a few things done to it already, that is four-wheel alignment, because it had a small problem when you were on a motorway. You had a lot of vibrations going on, so I've managed to get that out of it. It seems to drive fairly straight. Now we're going to take it onto the motorway and see how it's going to perform there. I expect all the vibrations to be out of it with simply just wheel alignment. I've got the values what they changed, which wasn't big but a little bit more in the level of the cambers, which I suspect that the last keeper before me put the suspension in himself, and maybe he didn't fully align it on a four-wheel alignment system. Anyway, let's get the car out now to the motorway, have a little drive and then see how it performs then. Suspension in this car is super hard. It wouldn't be my thing now, but that's just the way it is. The suspension seems to be set up for a track. It's very hard. What it seems to do is it's just hard. Now the good thing is about this car, already everything seems to work. All lights, switches, mirrors, fog lights, air conditioning is very good. So that's good. So there's a good basis for a good start car. Smooth. I don't see the same vibrations what was in it before, which is a really good thing. It seems to be gone. I do see a little vibration on the brakes though, and the odd part is they're brand new discs. Vibration coming in there with the brake discs. We're gonna have to address that. New discs, most likely. There's the boost coming in there now. That's fifth gear, right? Well, fifth gear. Let's see the boost now. fine straight. The only problem I have now is when I'm on the brake. There's a slight vibration there. And down through all the gears, there's no crunching or gearbox issues. So that's good. So let's take it down to the carpool and have a little look around. Show you guys what we have here. Get the space down here. Oh, it's just too hard for the road. It's quite busy here. Back is good too. And the nice thing is the back wiper still works. Let's see if we can get that to work.